Hello, these are called logic puzzles, and these are all about math. In order to solve these, you will have to read the clues down here so you can figure out which of these students matches with which of these 10 frames. So always read the title and the directions. It says fun with frames. Directions: Miss Murray gave each first grade student a different 10 frame. Use the clues to find out which 10 frames, so these are the 10 frames, which 10 frame each student had. If something is true for somebody, you're going to do a check mark. That means it's true. And if something is not true for that person, it's false, you're going to put an X, okay? So let's look at the first clue. Number 1 says, Cho's 10 frame did not have the smallest number. So here is Cho, and his 10 frame did not have the smallest number. So if you look here, which one is the smallest number? It looks like this is the smallest number, and that does not belong to Cho. So I will put an X because it does not belong to him. Okay? The next one says, the number on any's frame was equal to the sum of 5 plus 3. So I have to figure out what 5 plus 3 is. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So the number on any's frame, any is up here, any's frame was equal to 8. So I have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it looks like that might be hers, but I'm going to check the rest of them. This one is 1. That one is 3. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it says the number on any's frame was equal to the sum of 5 plus 3, which is 8. That tells me that this was any's frame. So I'm going to put a check. If I put a check for any, I can put an X on all the other ones because that means none of these belong to any. This one belongs to any. I can also put X's all across the top because this tells me that if that 10 frame belongs to any, then nobody else can have that one. Only any can have that one. Okay, clue number 3 says Amalia's number did not equal the number of sides on a triangle. So Amalia's number did not equal the number of sides on a triangle. How many sides are on a triangle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So Amalia's number, Amalia's up here. Amalia's 10 frame does not equal 3. So it is not this one. I can put an X. It does not equal 3. Okay. Number 4 says Juan's frame had a number you say when skip counting by 2. So for Juan, I should be able to skip count by 2 and get to his number. So if I go 2, not here, 4, not here, 6, there it is. So for Juan, I should be able to get to the number by skip counting by 2. And that's the only one that I can get to if I skip count by 2. So this frame belongs to Juan. That means nobody else can have it. So I can put X's. And I can also put X's across the bottom because nobody else is getting that 10 frame. Only Juan. Okay? All right, and our last clue says the number in Eliam's frame was greater than 4. So in Eliam's frame, his 10 frame has to be greater than 4.